Hi, my name is Jennifer Ventura. This presentation provides information about Inspire Connections Academy. Inspire Connections Academy is an online public school that was founded in 2005. Inspire Connections Academy provides free schooling to students in kindergarten through 12th grade who are expected to meet national and state standards. Students are able to interact with their course material, instructors, and classmates through the online education management system called Connexus. The following slide provides a brief introduction video which includes commentary from teachers, parents, and students. Feel free to view this video or go directly to the link while viewing this presentation without the audio voiceover. The mission for Inspire Connections Academy is we will help each student maximize his or her potential and meet the highest performance standards. Connections Academy is a high-quality, high-tech, high-touch school without walls that brings out the best in every student. The mission statement is available in several places on the school website, including on the Our School tab, the School Improvement Plan, as well as the school's annual performance report. In addition to the mission, the school's vision statement is all Inspire students can and must learn. In order to do so, the school states it will create a learning environment to achieve high student outcomes, challenge students to succeed, and commit to work together to make the vision a reality. Inspire Connections Academy is authorized under law by the Idaho Charter School Commission. According to the Idaho Press Tribune in 2011, the state superintendent began mandating online courses for students in order to better prepare students for the workforce. In addition, the state invested $40 million in Idaho Education Network in order to increase broadband internet to all students receiving education within the state. The school is currently operated by the nonprofit organization Inspire Academics, who is in contract with the Connections Academy in order to form the virtual school. Additionally, Inspire Connections Academy has a special partnership with Boise State University, which provides the school with training, curriculum development, research, and evaluation. Inspire Connections Academy is organized into elementary, middle, and high school. The elementary school curriculum serves students in kindergarten through 5th grade, offering courses in reading, writing, science, math, and social studies. The middle school curriculum is designed for 6th through 8th graders who are expected to work directly with the instructor and participate in electives and extracurricular activities. Finally, the high school curriculum is for students in 9th through 12th grade. There's a heavy focus on college and career readiness for these students. The website does a great job of outlining parent roles in their child's education while attending Inspire Connections Academy, and the parents are encouraged to take advantage of the many trainings that are offered. In general, parents of elementary students are expected to oversee schoolwork for 5 hours a day, provide breaks, assist students with lessons, communicate frequently with the teacher, and closely monitor student progress. In middle school, parents are expected to spend 2 to 3 hours a day with students, assist with some lessons when needed, refer students to the teacher, and continue the communication. In high school, parents are spending significantly less time overseeing the child's schoolwork and are only expected to spend 30 minutes daily. However, the parents should still verify lessons are being completed and communicate with the teacher when necessary. The teachers at Inspire Connections Academy work with students to develop a personalized learning plan. There are currently 8 highly qualified teachers with biographies listed on the website. 3 are elementary school, 4 are secondary, and 1 is a special educator. In addition to teachers, the school also provides counseling services to students to support emotional well-being and also to help students prepare for life after school. The school administration is made up of the principal, Karen Haynes, and the 5 board of directors. The board of directors are the governing body of the academy. The board of directors hold monthly meetings open to the public. The latest data for students attending Inspire Connections Academy is based off of 932 students enrolled. As you can see from the data, Inspire Connections Academy is primarily white students with very low percentages in other ethnicities, meaning the school lacks diversity when it comes to race. However, 38% of the students are from low-income families. The data also shows percentages for students learning English, students who are homeless, students from migrant families, students with disabilities, students in foster care, as well as students from military families. Looking at student performance, the data shows student test scores fall below the state average. The following screenshot comes from the Inspire Connections Academy Annual Performance Report from 2017 to 2018 school year. The individual categories are explained further in the document. However, it's important to note that the percentage of academic points earned is only 49% due to the 256 points that were earned out of a possible 500. So who exactly are the students attending Inspire Connections Academy? While Connections Academy serves 300 states across the nation, Inspire Connections Academy is only for students residing in Idaho, so the 932 students are receiving instruction within their home state. After researching the school and analyzing the website, I was able to come up with the strengths and limitations for the school website and its effectiveness for serving parents and students. First, the website is a great resource for parents because it displays notifications, reports, and disclosures. Information about budgeting, test scores, and school improvement plan are all readily available, so parents don't really need to go digging for that information any further. Additionally, the website is easy to navigate to find out information about teachers and students. Students who are looking to attend the school can view biographies of other students and teachers to learn about the stories and to begin making connections. Another great resource is tech support is offered for students who are having issues with computers that might have been loaned to them through the school, as well as internet subsidies offered to families to help with the cost of internet services while attending the school. The website also contains great testimonials for parents and students to view if they'd like to learn more about the positive aspects of the school and unique experiences people have had. Finally, the website has access to the Connections Academy blog, where students and parents can interact and learn from others in the virtual school community. While the website has several strengths, there are also some limitations. For example, the data is very misleading because the website claims great results from the curriculum. However, many students are performing lower than average. Also, while analyzing the annual performance report, it was very difficult to understand, even though there were so many explanations. The document might be really challenging for families to interpret. It was also difficult to get in contact with the school principal. I attempted to email the principal but received no response. The website also mentions the extracurriculars and clubs, but there is no specific information provided on the website. Alyssa, a mom who posted a blog about the school, said there were several clubs students can attend, but I was unable to find any of these on the website. The website also provides great information for parents about expected outcomes of time they should be spending with their students on schoolwork. However, I was unable to find amount of time students will need to engage with the coursework on their own, particularly for middle and high school students. This might be information they'd want to know ahead of time. Finally, due to the lack of higher performing test scores and the confusing data that was presented, much like Bodkin suggests in his article, the accountability framework from the Public Charter School Commission may not exactly be a great fit for this school. Although Inspire Connections Academy website has its limitations, it is clear the school is dedicated to providing students with an individualized approach to learning that will best fit all of the students' needs. Thank you.